Good morning. Today is the day. KK's gonna open her gift.
Oh my god, the wrapping is so perfect. James Avery. I'm really bad at opening up letters.
It's okay, me too.
I'm not gonna cry. I'm a sentimental person. I'm too sentimental for this. I don't know. Maybe it's the day shampoo that you strategically put in your YouTube video. Gosh, yes. The fact that I use that in your shower and it's like one of my favorite shampoos and conditioners, and I literally have like Olaplex and Way at home, and I still like this one. My hair smells so good for like 4 days after, and it's soft. I love it. Oh my gosh, also I played the SZA song low on full blast in my car after I saw your story. Unreal.
Does it make you feel like a bad like literally it's like
it was just like I wish you guys could see Caroline's impersonation right now. I loved it. I can't get over this. That was such a good gift. Sure.
I can't believe you don't have any James Avery pieces.
I know, and I'm literally going to school in the South.
You're gonna get so many once you go there. I just know it.
It's okay.
I love you too.
It's perfect.
You're size 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Not doing okay right now.
I'm gonna cry. This isn't funny. Stop laughing.
Oregon flashback. Dude, this was like the best car to road trip in.
No, it literally is. And I need to clean it out so badly.
No, it's okay. If you guys haven't seen the Oregon road trip yet, what are you doing? Go look at it because it's literally the funniest. Like, the part of you on the toilet seat, like. Guess where we're going, right? Oh my god, don't just happen. Anyways,
I think our last moments together will till summer memorable.
We are going to Certified Bakery right now because I've gone there like 5 days in a row. I kid you not. This is just so embarrassing.
I went there like 2 days ago too.
What'd you get?
The Asian chicken salad.
Oh, I wanted the tuna and schwa salad yesterday, and literally the girl in front of me took it, and I was like, we're doing good on time.
Yeah.
And then we gotta go to the airport.
Also, Boise Airport is such a blessing because it literally takes you 20 minutes to get through security, even if there's a long line.
And this is like our last moments, like less than an hour together.
It's okay, we're gonna plan something for June, so watch out.
Psych to the tuna and schwa salad. I really don't want to stink up the plane for all of my fellow travelers. So instead, I got the certified, what's it called?
Certified egg sandwich.
It looks fire, KK. Let's see yours.
So bomb.
Oh, shoot, that looks good. So I'm gonna eat mine when I get to the airport because like too messy right now.
Look in your right. People know it. Sun on your skin. 6 a.m. and I've been watching you sleep.
Currently waiting to go home. I'm at the airport in Las Vegas and I cannot wait to be home, you guys. I miss it so much. Also, I think this layover is like an hour or 2 hours long, which is kind of annoying, but I can't wait to see my family. Just landed in Austin. Now I'm waiting for my dad to get me.
How are you?
How are you?
Oh my, oh I missed you so. Look at him, he looks feral. He looks
kind of wild.
Ew, his breath smells horrible. Back in Texas, baby.
Yeah.
Doing good. All right, and with that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, make sure to give
thumbs up.
Yes, make sure to give this Vlogmas a thumbs up, and if you didn't, shh.
Bye.
Don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow in Texas. I love y'all. Ciao.
Crackling wood all season, decorating a loneless Christmas once again, making a